Hey guys, here we are, just visiting next door in the Haines Hunter factory, checking out the finished SE725, heading for the South Island. Motor will be fitted down at the dealership. Got the walk-through transom. You can see the enclosed cabin with the electric windows either side, so they drop down. Got the bifold doors there. The seating in place, so we've got storage underneath the seats. You can see the Ultralon floor. Big dash, ready for the electronics. Zip wake trim tabs. We've got the big V-Berth up the front. Heaps of storage space in the side pockets. Big hatch up the front, easy access with this one. Also got the fridge. Got the gas bottle in here. Again, lots of storage in the side pockets. Great place to put your phone, etc. Storage under both the helm seat. Easy access to all the switches. Okay, and then outside, got the walk-through transom. Got the sink. LED lighting throughout. We've got the side pockets. Got the rod holders. Under here we've got all the storage as well. Right, so heaps of fishing space. Now with this, obviously with the enclosed cabin, it's fantastic in winter. You can lock the, you can close the cabin up when you're coming back from a big day's fishing, or in summer you can open up the door, put down the windows, open up the sliding windows. Fantastic. So this is the SE725. Look, check it out on the website.